So if you've never made couscous before, then I promise you, you've landed on the right video. This technique is going to give you a light, buttery, well-textured, well-balanced couscous that you're going to look forward to making every single time. So with this base recipe idea, you could fold in a variety of different ingredients, such as chopped parsley, raisins, shredded leg of lamb, or even chopped pistachios. And down below in the comments, I'm going to leave a bunch of different recipe ideas for you to play around with. So the first thing you want to do is add some chicken stock or some water to a pot. And what you're going to do is add a 1:1 ratio of liquid to couscous. So for example, if you want to make 1 cup of couscous, you're going to add 1 cup of water or chicken stock to a pot and bring that to a simmer. And I'm going to flavor it with some olive oil. And then next I'll be adding a couple knobs of butter and a squeeze of lemon juice. I'll then season with salt, and then I'll whisk that all together and make sure everything is incorporated and dissolved. So essentially what I'm doing is making a flavorful liquid that my couscous is going to cook in. So next you're going to add your couscous and bring that to a light simmer, and then you're going to cover with a lid and put that on the lowest setting possible and set a timer for 15 minutes. Once the timer is up, remove your lid and the couscous is now done. You can now fluff with a fork or a spoon and ensure that every granule of couscous is separated and not sticking together. Now you're going to plate, and this is ready to serve. Now couscous is really great because it's inexpensive and at the same time it's deceivingly filling. You wouldn't think so because the granules are so small, but couscous is one of those things that could satisfy your hunger pretty fast. So that's it for me. Give couscous a try as I said, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, keep on cooking.